Let's test them out. Always clean out your new equipment. Whenever they come with factory sealing, always wash it. Okay, then let's test this bad boy out. Alright, so there's not that much to say about the Sboly automatic conical burr coffee grinder. It's the name is long enough as it is. Yeah, it does basically what it's supposed to do. I love the fact that within 5 to 10 seconds I have 2 cup servings coffee beans grounded. That's amazing. Other than that, just follow the manual and everything's very self-explanatory. You just have to adjust the fineness of the beans you want to ground and the amount of servings that you want to do. I preferably ground my beans straight to the portafilter and then make my shot of espresso fresh. I find that to be tasting a lot better. But other than that, I have only used this for a week or two. The endurance, the durability, and how often you have to clean it, that all will have to come in another video in the future. But for now, this is just my first hands-on impressions of my coffee grinder. So I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe. I've been saying that on all of my videos, so I hope you guys start acting like it. All right, just kidding. Love you guys. Have or not, I don't think I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Or no, either way, see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Love.